And girls, we're now going to talk about, so we've talked about the parts of an email, but let's look in our Google write the email. So right now I am in my, remember if I'm in my apps, I can decide which one I want to go to, and we want to make sure we're in our mail app. So if you're not there, it will take you there. Now after you have cleared out your email from all the things I told you to do yesterday, now you're going to write an email. You're going to write an email to your English teacher. So I'm first going to go to the left-hand side and I'm going to write compose. Compose is another way we can say write an email. So it's going to say to as who we are sending it to. So if I'm going to send it to Miss Becky, Miss Becky, I'm going to start writing my teacher's name. So I'm going to start typing the teacher's first name. Remember, your teacher doesn't start, their first name doesn't start with Miss. So even though we want to say Miss or Mr., first start typing their first name. So first I'm going to type in the first name, and then I'm going to think of a subject. Now on your site, I told you exactly what I want you to write about. So I want you to think of a subject title that would be a really good choice for this. So on the site I told you I would like you to write about what is your favorite part of second grade so far. So I want you to think about how you can best describe that as a title. I could say the best part of second grade. I could say my favorite part. You can decide what you want to put here. The next I'm going to put my greeting. Dear, and if your teacher is Miss Becky, you'll write Miss Becky. Now my cursor was over it, but now I can see I have my capitals in the correct places. Because Miss Becky is a name, I'm going to capitalize her. And then I'm going to put a comma after that, and now I'm going to write my email. So starting my sentence with a capital, my favorite part of second grade has been when you have given us reward cards for positive behavior. Now you can add more if you want, or you can now finish your body or the message, and now we're going to do our closer. I can say yours truly. I can say sincerely. Your choice. And then I'm going to signature, and I'll say Miss Rachel. Okay, so you'll put your name at the end. You won't sign my name. So when I'm finished writing that email, I'm going to press send, and it will send to your teacher. I'm going to press send, and look, it says your message has been sent. And if I want, I can go to my sent mail, and then I can see my email. I can keep this if I want, I can delete it if I want, but it will be there in our sent. It won't be in our inbox because that's where we receive messages. So your job now is to go ahead and do that with your teacher. You may go.